Just looking out the window, the sea's a little bit more choppy today. Still not too bad though. Nearly, it's 9:30. We're just going all the way down to breakfast. Had a bit of a line in it, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we've come down for breakfast. There's a bit of a queue. We've got our old friend the buzzer. We've also been to reception because our air conditioning is still not working and our fridge isn't cold. So fingers crossed they get sorted, and let's see how long we have to wait for breakfast. So we start breakfast. Only a 5-minute wait really. So we're walking around the deck. It's certainly choppy today. Really nice waves coming on.
As we walked around, we tried some of the different sports on offer.
So we've had a nice morning. We've had a walk around the prom. We've played table tennis, quoits, shuffleboard and golf. We're now in Metropolis having a little drink before we go to the Epicurean for our afternoon tea. So Christian, where have you persuaded me to go?
We are going to the gym. Partly because it's celebration night tonight and we'd like to fit into our clothes. So we're going to go and get a few more extra steps in today so that we're ready for not just our black tie this evening, but we also have our afternoon tea in about an hour and a half. So we desperately need to go and get a bit of exercise.
Yeah, and we're not even hungry. We're still full from breakfast. So let's go and get some steps in. So we survived the gym, we've been showered and changed, and we're now going for afternoon tea at the Epicurean, which we're really looking forward to. So see you soon. We're at the Epicurean getting ready for our afternoon tea. We're looking forward to it.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. It'll be really nice hopefully. So let's see what we find. We'll let you know how it goes.
So we've just sat down to this beautiful afternoon tea. I don't know what Christian's having because I think that's all mine. But it looks really delicious, really nicely presented, and I'm so looking forward to this. I think we need to go back to the gym after again, don't you, Christian?
I think we definitely do. So we've just had the savoury part of the afternoon tea and it's frankly delicious. I'm probably going to say that for every part of this afternoon tea, but the three you get is a lobster roll, you then get a paprika chicken roll, and then there's a quiche with beetroot and salmon. The pastry on the quiche is absolutely delicious. No soggy bombs, so fantastic. So we're about to dive into the second course. So we've got to the end of our afternoon tea, and as you can see, we've not been able to finish it. It's a lot of food, and frankly, it wasn't for the want of trying. It's too much to me. But we've managed to take our chocolate spheres away so we can have them at another time. All in all, we highly recommend coming to this afternoon tea if you get the opportunity to do so. We booked it before we got on board, paid for it on our cards before we came on board the ship, so it was very easy to do so, and there was loads of dates and times available to do so, so we highly recommend.
Good evening.
Evening.
So, second celebration night, we've got into our clothes, which is a miracle. So, so we're going to the Tamarind to meet some friends, and then we're all going for dinner afterwards. So, come along with us.
If you wanted a memory of the evening, you could have your photos taken on the atrium stairs on deck 5. You could purchase the photos from the photo gallery on deck 7 aft. We had a lovely celebration night with friends we've met on board. We both admit we weren't very hungry after the afternoon tea, but it was great food with great company, and we had a lovely time.
So it's only about 11 o'clock at night. We're going back to the room. The dinner was good. We had some dinner with friends, and then went to see a show. Entertainment a little bit poor tonight, so that's why we're having an early night. So tomorrow it's a port day. We're in Lisbon, so got to set the alarm. But for now, we'll say good night. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed our video, please press the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And if you tap notifications, we can let you know when we next post a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram and Threads at Lowdown Travel. Thank you for watching.